Most people think that technology is about ones and zeros and bits and bytes and hardware and software. We say no, it's about the impact on humanity and society. I think I've always been an entrepreneur. It's very much in my mindset to try out things. Like I grew up in a small town actually, and like the local sport was when you got drunk in the evening, they would throw bicycles in the canals. And so every Sunday I would go and fish for bicycles and then from the spare parts build a new one and sell that. I think it was always sort of in me to build stuff. And I sold 2 companies before T&W, so officially this is the 3rd company that I sold. So yeah, I think it's very much in my nature to do this kind of stuff. Never let experience stand in the way of progress. That's the reason why you need young people in your company, because they don't have that experience and they might try something slightly different and the circumstances have changed and then suddenly it does work. You don't want to be the old guy who has seen it all and knows it all, right? Because the interesting thing about being a CEO is that there's no rule book for how you got to be a CEO, right? I take my work home and I take my family to work. I've only seen like the benefits of that. I think it's inspiring for a child to see that you're working on something with passion. And then they become intrigued as well. And I think you hope that your children find something in life that they're passionate about. It doesn't really matter what it is. If they come home and say, oh my God, I found it. This is what I want to do with my life. That's what you hope for. I love my work and it's challenging and it's a fight, but it's also a lot of fun. And I truly believe that people work better when they are happy.